One of the major flaws in the ward-based proposal for selecting school board members is the drawing of boundary lines. By law, there must be 7 sub-districts or wards of equal population, about 4,000 in each ward for our school system, and the lines must be contiguous. Our school district has 28,000 residents and covers about 220 square miles. The population of Jacksonville, South Jacksonville, and a bit of rural area has 24,000 residents. That requires 6 board members, leaving 210 square miles with 1 board member. If the rural population is divided into 2 sections, the count is still short. So about 1/2 of South Jacksonville is needed to create a ward. And the same in the Northern Territory. To create 4,000 people in the ward, some of the North City will have to be included. The ward-based proponents have proposed a 5-2 plan. 5 board members for Jacksonville and 2 members for the remaining of the 210 square miles. To obtain the needed ward population, South Jacksonville, with 3,000 residents, will have to include Woodson and Murrayville. And that leaves only 1 board member for the entire remaining area. When asked about the potentially volatile issue of drawing lines for the 7 wards, a proponent spokesperson said there was no problem. They would simply follow school attendance boundary lines, and that there were models available from other places to do this. First, how can there be a model available when every school system has different boundaries and different population and different population densities? There is no model available. So let's look at the practicality of having the attendance boundaries be the same as the ward-based boundaries. We just need to look at a few examples to see this idea is not possible. Only a small bit of the north school boundary is in the city. The rural attendance area stretches to the Cass County line. There are not 4,000 people in that section. In the Murrayville area, there are not 4,000 residents. About 90% of the Eisenhower attendance area is not even in the city limits. In creating boundary lines in Urbana, the school board there had a contentious process that resulted in the hiring of an expensive Chicago law firm to negotiate the final sections. Urbana is only 44 square miles, with little or no rural area. The creating of boundary lines for board members will be an immediate and ongoing source of community turmoil. This is only one of the many reasons to vote no on April 9. If you're concerned about our community and what will happen if this measure passes, please send this information to a friend. Thank you.